Welcome back to the Atomic Habits series. In Chapter 14, make the right behavior automatic and the wrong behavior hard. You do this by creating a commitment device and designing your environment to support your goals. James Clear shows us how to lock in good habits and block out bad ones by making them inevitable or impossible. Let's dive in. We often fail not because we lack motivation, but because our environment doesn't support the behavior we want. James introduces commitment devices, tools or choices that lock you into a future behavior. A commitment device is a choice you make in the present that controls your actions in the future. By pre-deciding how you'll act, you make it easier to do the right thing. Examples. Want to stop wasting time on your phone? Use an app blocker or give your friend the passcode. Want to eat healthier? Pack your lunch the night before? Want to go to the gym? Schedule a workout with a friend. So skipping means disappointing someone. These choices make the good habit inevitable and the bad habit harder to access. Use environment design and commitment devices together. Set up your space for success. Add social accountability. Limit access to distractions. Ask yourself, how can I make the good habit the default action? How can I make the bad habit inconvenient or embarrassing? We often overestimate motivation and underestimate structure. Design beats discipline. Build systems that make good behavior automatic. That's it for Chapter 14. In the next chapter, we're moving on to the final law of behavior change. Make it satisfying. It's all about how to reinforce habits and stick with them long term. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite commitment device, and subscribe so you don't miss Chapter 15 and the rest of the series.